Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy unbagging. If you did not know, Ipsy is $10 a month. You get 5 beauty samples catered to your beauty profile. So you take a little quiz and then the things inside here will be based off of that. And then you can earn points to redeem free products. So I do 2 bags with this. The first one is my normal bag. It's more neutral kind of makeup, comfortable with makeup, that kind of stuff. This one is more, I want adventurous, bold kind of makeup. It's just fun to see what the difference is between the beauty profiles and see if it really matters. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into this. Okay, so first I'm gonna open up my normal bag. Okay, so the bag this month is kind of cute actually. It's got little eyes on it, with little eyelashes. It's black, and then down here it's got like a shiny gold. So that's that. Oh, the zipper is gold too. That's kind of cute. So the theme this month is Who is Going to Stop Me? There's the card. Oh, cute. The inside of the bag. It says rules were meant to be broken. That's really cute. I like that. So the first thing I'm seeing is this Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade Babe Alert. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch this. So looking at it when I open it, it has like that triangle kind of doe foot applicator, which I really like. I think it's really good for like precision when you're doing a liquid lip, so that's awesome. Go ahead and swatch the color. So it's just like a pink nude kind of color, which is, I have so many of these, but there it is. It's showing up a little more pink than it is in real life, but definitely like the color. Definitely looks like it's going to be a matte sort of color. I don't think it says it's matte, but it looks like it's going to be matte. We'll check on that in a little bit to see what it dried down like. Smashbox is cruelty free, so this is something I can definitely use. Things that I don't know if they're cruelty free when I'm filming or whatever, I always put down in the description down below whether things are cruelty free or not. So if you are interested in that, you can find that out down there. I also put the values of everything too. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing in here is from Luxie. It's just a brush. It's got a little pointed tip on it. Let's see what it says. It says detailed tapered blender. Oh, it's a Wonder Woman brush. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that, but it's got a little Wonder Woman logo right there on it. It's funny because I was looking at it. It said DC Comics. I'm like, what? But yeah, so it's just it looks like it'd be good for the crease. It's kind of a packed brush, so I always like getting new brushes. I don't have any brush like this, so definitely will give this a try. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing is from Ava NYC. So this is a Satin Dream Leave-In Cream. Detangles, smooths, and moisturizes for all hair types. It says right on the back that it's cruelty free. So it's definitely like a thicker formula. It smells a little masculine, honestly. I can't pick up what the scent is, but maybe it's the argan oil, but it's not like a bad masculine. I definitely like the way it smells, so I will definitely try this out. The next thing I am pulling out of here is from Winky Luxe. It is a Mermaid Kitten Exotic Squid Ink Plum with blendable pigment and prismatic shimmer. Complete your siren-worthy collection when you purchase the Winky Luxe Mermaid Kitten palette. So this is cruelty-free. I've never actually tried anything from Winky Luxe. The packaging's really cute. So let's go ahead and actually see what this is when I open it up. Oh goodness, they're speaking to me with the color. It's like this aqua color, which is like my favorite color, matches my watch. So it's got a little, the packaging is so cute. It's got like a little kitten mermaid on there. Can you see that? How cute is that? Ooh, so it's like a plum colored, like it said on the back. Let me see if I have an exact color. Ursula, it said that already. I normally don't wear purples, but this is like a dark purple, so I might be able to give this a try. It is shimmery. Go ahead and, so you can see the Smashbox did dry down matte, but I'll go ahead and swatch the eyeshadow right next to it. It's not super dark. It actually shows up lighter purple when you swatch it than it is in the pan. Let's see if it's something I can build. It does look like it's buildable, so definitely will try this. I'm excited just to try the brand, so that's why normally I would give a purple sort of color away because it's not my color, but I wanted to try that brand out, so I will definitely play with that. All right, so I have one more thing in here, and this is from Luna by Luna. It is a translucent powder. So, I've never heard of this brand either. So it looks like it's going to be a translucent powder in the shade White Sand. So it's kind of interesting. It's just like this little pan. It's definitely just a translucent powder. So I can give this a try. Sorry, it has a weird smell, I think. No, that might have been. This is scented with something. Interesting. All right, so just a powder. So overall, I think this bag, overall it fits the profile. The purple's a little off for it, but the nude lipstick, a brush, a hair thing, overall not bad for that profile. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the Adventurous profile bag. All right, so once again, we have the same bag. The first thing I am pulling out of here is actually something I think I got this in my Sephora Play or my Allure box last month, but it is the Hoola Benefit Bronzer, or sorry, Benefit Hoola Bronzer. It's a bronzer by Benefit, and it's called Hoola. I don't think these have shades in them, but this I will just go ahead and put to the side for a giveaway or give it to a friend since I now have 2 of them. I have heard really good things about this bronzer. I just know I'm not going to use it since it's not cruelty free. The next thing I'm seeing in here is from IBY Beauty. It is a Lush eyeshadow in Fire and Ice. Is that the color? The packaging is really, it's like really, I don't even know if you're going to be able to read that with all the reflection going on. I have an IBY palette. I think I have 2 of them. Maybe 1, maybe 2. That I got. I think I got them both in my Yes Oh Yes box, or it could be my Lola box. But I do like the shadow, so it is just the tiniest little sample. So just glancing at it, it looks like a almost green. Whoa, actually this is like super iridescent, because it looks green and brown almost at the same time, but it's also shimmery. I'm not sure if you could be able to see that right there. Let me try swatching on my other hand. So there it is. It's just a brownish green, which is so interesting. I'm excited to try that out. I've never seen a color quite like that. That's cool. Okay, so the next thing I am seeing in here is from neuMoisture, Neuma. By Neuma? It's some sort of hair thing. Instant Fix. It is cruelty free. It's a lightweight leave-in protectant, detangles, hydrates, and tames hair by sealing and protecting cuticle to create smoothness. All right, so there it is. Let's go ahead and see what it smells like. It smells pretty good. Not mad about it, just a leave-in conditioner, which I could always use that. My hair is slightly damaged. The next one is from, oh, I mess up this name every time. Doucce? It is a cheek blush. So it looks like just a standard blush. I'm not sure if you know this brand. They sell like these palettes that all their stuff can like fit into. I have one, but it's full, and I honestly never use it. I just forget about it, I think. Let's go ahead and swatch it. So it is like a shimmery, mauve-y kind of blush. Let's see if I can get some good pigment on it. So there it is on my hand. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's got like a little shimmer on it. So that's cool. I don't think I have a shimmery sort of blush, so I will definitely throw this into, I think I have since my palette that this goes into is full, I have a magnetic palette that I can just toss that into. All right, so we have one more thing left. Okay, so this is a Manna Kadar Liplocked Priming Lip Wand in the color Belle. I don't know what they're calling it a lip wand, it's just like a lip crayon. So there it is. It's like a dark fuchsia, I want to say. Pretty good fall color, I'd say. Maybe like a wine is the right color. Let's go ahead and swatch it to see what it looks like. We're running out of swatch room. Okay, so maybe it's more fuchsia. So there it is on my hand. It's definitely a color that I will wear. Like I said, I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty free. I have never heard of this brand, but I will look into that. But if it is cruelty free, definitely a color that I will enjoy. Okay, so overall, I don't think this bag really fits the profile. I mean, the eyeshadow is cool and different, but I think the purple one, I feel like the eyeshadow should be swapped. But other than that, I feel like it's a pretty good match to the profile. Very makeup heavy on this one. I have 3 makeup items. 4 makeup items if you include the Hoola and then just 1 hair care thing. So yeah, overall, not a bad bag. Again, no duplicates. I've been doing this for 3 months, and in 3 months I've gotten no duplicates in any of these, and it's just funny to me because I watch so many other people do these and they always get duplicates. So I'm not sure how I got lucky, knock on wood, that I have no duplicates in mine, but I got lucky, I guess. So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, more unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.